Welcome everyone. In today's session, we are going to learn how to create a powerful resume tailored specially for data engineering roles. Whether you are a beginner or transitioning from another tech field, this session will guide you through the key elements that makes a resume stand out. Here's what we will cover today. We will first talk about what makes a data engineer resume different. Then we will break down its section by section, go over formatting best practices, and finally review a real example. So, why a data engineer resume is unique? Data engineer resume highlights technical skills and project experience relevant to data architecture. Key resume section includes like contact info, skills, experience, and education tailored for data roles. Formatting tips: use clear heading, bullet points, and consistent fonts to enhance readability and professionalism. Tailoring for the job: customize your resume for each job application by using keyword from the job description. Common mistakes to avoid: avoid vague statement, excessive jargons, and typos that can distract from your qualifications. Example walkthrough: provide a detailed breakdown of a successful data engineer resume to illustrate best practices. Data engineer resume needs to showcase more than just technical details. They need to reflect your ability to build data pipeline, manage infrastructure, and work with big data technologies. Recruiters looking for very specific tools and experience, like proficiency in big data tools. Data engineer often utilize tools like Spark, Hadoop, and Kafka to manage and analyze large data set effectively. Strong programming skills, language such as Python, SQL, and Scala are essential for data manipulation and transformation tasks. Experience with cloud platform, formalities with AWS, GCP, that is Google Cloud Platform, and Azure is crucial for implementing scalable data solutions in the cloud. Expertise in data pipeline, design and manage data pipelines and architecture is the key responsibility of data engineers. Showcasing real world projects, including practical project demonstration, hands on experience, and problem solving capabilities in data engineering. Every strong data engineer resume includes this section. The summary, the skills quickly grab attention while project and work experience demonstrate your capabilities. Header and contact info include your name, phone number, email, and LinkedIn profile. Professional summary: a brief statement highlighting your career objective and key qualifications. Skills: list relevant skills in a clear and organized manner to catch employer attention. Projects: highlights notable projects that showcase your capabilities and achievements. Work experience: detail your past job responsibilities and accomplishment in reverse chronological order. Education and certification: provide your education background along with any relevant certification earned. Your summary is an elevator pitch. Mention your years of experience you have, key technologies you use, and highlight your domain expertise if applicable. Keep it concise and impactful. So, as you can see, we have Jane Doy, data engineer expert with 5 years of experience. Extensive experience. Jane has over 5 years of experience in data engineering, specializing in ETL process. Proficient in key tools. She is proficient in tools such as Apache Spark, Hadoop, and SQL database. Expertise in ETL processes. Her work primarily involves extract, transform, and load operation to manage data flows. Streaming data focus. Jane also specializes in real-time streaming, enhancing data accessibility. Cloud-based solutions. She worked extensively with cloud platforms like AWS and Azure for scalable solution. Industrial applications. Jane has experience across various industries, including finance and healthcare. Organize your skills by categories. That makes it easier for recruiter and applicant tracking system, that is ATS, to scan your resume. Be honest. Only list what you are comfortable discussing in the interviews. So programming languages proficient in Python, SQL and Scala for data manipulation and analysis, big data technologies like experience in working Spark, Hadoop and Hive for big data processing. Cloud services skilled in using AWS, S3, EMR and Lambda for cloud-based solution. Development tools familiar with Airflow, Docker and Git for streamline development workflows. Database management, knowledge of PostgreSQL, MongoDB and Redshift for effective data storage and retrieval. Projects are critical, especially if you are new or switching careers. Use them to show off your practical skills. Include tools used, what the project accomplished, and the impact. Real time streaming pipeline. Build a pipeline using Kafka and Spark to process 1 million events per day. Tools utilized like leveraged Spark, Kafka, and Airflow for effective data processing and orchestration. Timeline of development. The project was executed over a span of 6 months by inception to development. Problem addressed. The solution effectively solved the challenge of handling large volumes of streaming data. Impacts of operations. Improve data processing speed and reliability, enhance decision making capabilities. Instead of listing responsibility, focused on accomplishment. Use metrics whenever possible. Start each bullet with a strong action verb, designed, implemented, optimized, etc. Work experience highlights and achievements. Improved ETL pipeline latency by 40% using Spark and optimized technique. Cost reduction through migration. Migration data workflow to AWS, reducing infrastructure cost by 25%. You should mention such kind of statement in your resume. Streamline data processing. Enhance data processing efficiently, leading to quick insight and reporting. Collaboration and teamwork. Work efficiently within cross functional teams to achieve project goals. Customer satisfaction enhancement. Implemented solution that significantly improved customer feedback rating. Education is an important, but for data engineers, certification can be a huge plus, especially cloud and Spark certification. They show commitment and specialization. So you need to write education background degree obtained from recognized university, add credibility to expertise. Google Cloud certification, certified as a Google Cloud professional data engineer, demonstrating cloud expertise. AWS certification, achieved AWS data analyst specialty certificate, showing data analysis skills. Databricks certification, earned Databricks certification associate developer for Spark, validating Spark knowledge. Clear formatting is a key. Make sure your resume is scannable. Avoid cramming or adding irrelevant details. Remember, recruiters spend less than 10 seconds on the first scan. So use a clean layout. A tidy layout enhances readability and makes key information stand out. Stick to one page. Limit to one page for less than 5 years experience. Two page max for over 5 years. Save as PDF. Ensure your resume maintain formatting by saving it as a PDF before sharing. Use action verbs, incorporating strong action verbs to convey achievement and responsibility effectively. Keep fonts readable. Select readable fonts like Calibri in the size of 10 to 12 pt for clarity. No photos, no long paragraphs. Don't list any tools you have ever used. Avoid generic or vague language. Every bullet and skill should tell a story or relate to your career goals. Proofread carefully. Attention to detail starts with your resume. Generic summaries, buzzword with proof, without proof, listing tools without context, irrelevant experience, spelling grammar errors. These are the common mistakes to avoid. Let's now walk through a sample data engineer resume. We will show you how to phrase your experience, where to highlight your certification, and how to make your resume both recruiter and ATS friendly. A download file will be provided at the description of the video from where you can download the resume sample. We will walk through summary, skills, project description, metrics in experience, and final tips and resources. Before submitting, always tailor your resume to the job descriptions. Use tools like JobScan to compare, and make sure your LinkedIn and GitHub reflect the same skills and projects. Tailor each for each job. Customize your resume and cover letter for every position you apply to highlighting relevant experience. Use job description keywords. Incorporate keywords from the job description to align your application with employer expectation. Keep LinkedIn updated. Regularly update your LinkedIn profile to reflect your latest skills and experience. Enhance visibility. Keep GitHub updated. Ensure your GitHub profile showcase your latest project and contribution to demonstrate your coding skills. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this helped you feel more confident about building your data engineering resume. Check out description for templates and follow up videos.